Hello. Hello, good morning.
It's Tada again. We are outside, going to nowhere.
Going to nowhere.
Yes.
Nowhere. Oh, my husband சொல்றாரு we are going to nowhere. We don't have any plans today. So that is going to be our plan. No plans. But we are just going somewhere. Husband எங்க கூட்டிட்டு போறாரோ, wherever my husband takes me, I'm going to follow him like a good wife. Okay, like now, good wife. That's our plan. And what are we actually planning with our sisters and brothers?
I told you, we are going nowhere. Anywhere
No,
we
oh, nowhereல நாங்க எங்க போறோமோ போகலையோ அங்க நீங்களும் வாங்க. Okay?
are just walking.
We are just walking and eating